Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Sap Ewm Vlogs. This is Bhanuteja, working as an Sap Ewm and EWM consultant. Today I am here with the new topic, that is simple inbound delivery process. So how it will be executed in Sap Ewm. So let us go through the steps. Okay, and log on into the SAP system. Before that, we require the material master record. So creating the new material. So execute MM01. So our company is access, right? So let us take one of the sample material. I will take a access. So name it as externally, and select the industrial type mechanical engineering. So I take it as a raw material, ROH, press enter. So here I am selecting the certain views: basic data 1, data 2, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, sales general plan data, purchasing, general plan data storage 1, general plan data storage 2, accounting 1, accounting 2, warehouse management execution, warehouse managing packaging. So click on continue. So here I am entering plant as ASVG, store location is receive on dock, sales organization enter SO, distribution channel as access distribution channel, press enter. I also mention the description. Basic unit measure is each. Till improve. Take it as gross weight and net weight is 1. Basic data is increased. Back. Center. Sales organization we have to enter. Sales organization 1 will enter the tax code. Tax value here we have to enter. Here we have to enter general item category group as normal. Item category group as normal. So here availability check is 01. Loading group is 01, etc. Accounting 1, the valuation class, I will take it as 3000. For unit price, I am taking as 100 rupees. And I am mentioning this as a moving average price. So I mention the indicator as V. Okay. Center. No need to enter any data in warehouse management execution, warehouse management packaging. Just extending these views. So I have created this material master record successfully, but I have to extend this material master to the another store locations also. Go to MMSC transaction code. Enter the material access mouse. Enter the plant. Press enter. Here I also entering another materials, another store locations for the material. Available for sale, production planning, consumable, and save it. Now I have created this data in the ERP level. So it should also be extended to the EWM level. So in this case, we have to create the product master record. So copy this and now execute the transaction /and/CWM/MAT. MAT1. Okay. Here enter the product number, warehouse number, SWH, and party entitled to dispose. is also mandatory. So you can get this description at the side. Access central warehouse, access party and title to dispose, and click on create. Here you can see is all the data which is fetched from the ERP level. Okay, so it's not editable. You can see in the properties we have given the gross weight as 1 kg, and this is fetched from the business system group. And that means when coming to decentralized, we are having number of servers which is connected to the EWM server. So from which server we are getting the master data. So in order to know that, so we will create the business system group. Okay. So according to that, we can track from which server we are getting this product master data. That means material master data. And unit measure is each. And you can see item category has given us NOR. Okay. So now coming to the warehouse data, you can see all the individual inputs. Okay, quality inspection, put control. I will explain you this information in the future classes. Okay, so now I'm making this making empty. So coming to the sorting also, I will explain about this various input fields. Coming topic. And coming to the storage type data. Storage type data means to which storage type, to which hierarchy this material should be stored. So that information can be given here. Okay. So coming to storage type, we can store this material. Now you can see here dimension for AS10 hierarchy, AS20 hierarchy. So if you maintain this storage type, you go to the particular storage type in the storage section. Maybe section is not maintained. Storage section indicator and the storage bin type. So you can maintain B1. So how many number of bins? If you receive 10 number of quantity, so how many number of bins it should be fulfilled? Okay. How many number of bins it should be placed? So that information can be given here. Okay. If you not give any information, no problem. Present I'm giving with empty information and save it. So now we have created this product master record. Now, so now we go to the SPRO. Here you go to reference image, SAP reference IMG, and here we go to SCM extended warehouse management, and here we go to cross process settings and warehouse task. Here you can see the warehouse process type. So what is the warehouse process type? In order to move the material from one area to another area is the warehouse. That means I will explain you clearly in the diagram. So okay, here you can see the flow diagram of a warehouse. So here whenever I receive the material from the vendor, from the inbound doors, so the van will be docked in the any one of the doors. Okay. So suppose I have received the material to the inbound door 1, and I move this material to, I will unload this material to the GR staging area. So how this material will be moved from GR staging area to high racks? So here the warehouse process type will play the important role. Okay. So here standard warehouse process type is 1010 for put away. Okay. So the process where the material will be flowed, it will be transferred from the GR staging area to high racks, and that means it will be placed in one of the bins in the storage tab. Okay. So in this process, the warehouse process type will act as an primary role. So like in coming to material management, we use the movement types, right, to make the stock transfers, to make the transfer postings. Okay, like 301 and 311. So here also the stock, here also various process type. We use it as the role like a movement type. Okay, so let us go to the process. So here I will create a, okay, again I have to log in. So here I will create the new purchase order. Execute admin21 and press enter. So here I am selecting the document type as NB. So we have to mention the supplier. Okay. Here go to header data and then navigate to organization data tab. Here you have to mention the purchase organization as ASPO. Purchasing group I mentioned 001 and company code I mentioned as ASCD. So here I mentioned the material like access mouse. I have to mention the material. This mouse. Suppose I extreme pipe quantity, and we have to enter the plan. Enter the store location, Sap on dock, and we have to mention the price. Okay. So here we go to the confirmations, and here we maintain the confirmation control as inbound delivery. Okay. So after mentioning all these details, click on save it. So PO number has created. So copy this PO number. Now I will release this PO number. Go to AP29N. So here another purchase order icon. Click on this option here. Mention your present PO number. Press enter. Here if you go to header area, you can see the release strategy. If you maintain the release strategy configuration, so you can get this option here in header level. For header level, for purchase order, release strategy will always trigger in header level only. Okay. So click on accept from manager level to senior manager level. Finally, this will protected. Okay. So now save it. So now, we have created, we have released this PO. So now we have to create inbound delivery. So the transaction code for creating inbound delivery is VL31. Please note this transaction code. Execute VL31N and press enter. So here we mention supplier code, that means vendor code, purchase order number, delivery date and delivery date time. Mention the ID. Press enter. So here I have mentioned 5 quantity against this material access mouse. Click on save it. See here you can see the message. Inbound delivery is created. It was saved and distributed to the warehouse management system. So how it will be distributed? Already we have maintained the connections, right? this bad. On delivery. So how it will be get distributed? How the system is getting distributed? Because already we have maintained the RST connections, right? So in this one server, I have already maintained the RST connections between the two clients. Okay. These are one of the these embedded system. Already told you starting classes, but again I am repeating you to recolor this one. This is embedded system. Okay. So here you can see ERP for ERP. And as for EWM. So here we contain the module EWM, and here we are containing MM, C, ET, EM, ES, and various modules. So here we are getting the data distributed automatically using the QRST connections. Okay, from okay, so using the QRST connections, already we have maintained QRST connections. So it will get when inbound delivery is created, PO is created from S4 side, and inbound delivery will get created from the S4 ERP side, and automatically it will get distributed using the QRST connections. And master data also will be automatically distributed to the EWM, okay, using the process QRST connections. And here GRN will be created. So this GRN will be splitted here. This GRN will be again redistributed to the S4 system. That means ERP system. And if you create a sale order, and if you create a outbound delivery OBD, so the outbound delivery will be get distributed. It will create the goods issue, and after that this goods issue will automatically gets distributed to the S4 ERP. So when coming to decentralized, this both servers are being maintained separately. Okay, should not be clubbed in one server, one system. So here in this case we have to maintain core interface, CIF. Okay. So but in this case CIF is not required. Okay. Let us go to the SAP again. So not only that connections, here you have to maintain other important configuration process. Go to SPRO, execute SAP reference IMG. If you go to SCM, Extended Warehouse Management, go to Extended Warehouse Management, and here if you go to Goose Receipt Process, see here we are receiving this material, right? So go to Goose Receipt Process, go to Inbound Delivery. See here we have to define document types for inbound deliveries. So here the document type will be INB and PDI. Okay. So here the document type for EWM is document type is EWM. Document type for EWM inbound delivery is INB, and document category is PDI. I will explain you detail and now we execute the transaction. So let's go to the transaction. So execute a inbound delivery for EWM /SCWM/PRDI /SCWM/PRDI, press enter, execute. So here we have to here you can see maintain inbound delivery for warehouse number ALWH. Okay, so here if you're getting another warehouse number like any other company, here we have to maintain default values. So here we have to rename our warehouse number, and if you want to maintain goods shipped also you can maintain. If you want to maintain party intended to dispose also you can maintain here. Okay. So I'm just maintaining the warehouse and click on continue. So here warehouse inbound delivery number can be executed in various options like using manufacturing order, purchasing order, logistic execution delivery, plus shipping notifications, and by default inbound delivery. So I'm using first options. 99% I use first option only, and here we enter this inbound delivery number. Click on execute. Okay. So here you can see the delivery document is assigned to the warehouse number ASWH. Okay, it belongs to the access company, right? So we have to maintain as ASWH. Yes, set all warehouse. Click continue. So again execute. So here we are spending the red color. Why it's coming what is red? Okay, GR zone does not exist. See, system has been displaying this error. GR zone storage bin GR zone does not exist. That means for 9010 there is no bin. There is no bin created. Okay, so you have to create the storage bin for this one. So go to the new screen. I create the one of the bin, single bin. Execute the transaction code /FCWM/LS01. Press enter. Here enter warehouse number ASWH. Dimension as GR zone. Okay. Press enter. Enter the warehouse process type 9010. Storage section as 201. Press enter. Click on save it. Okay. So now click on check. Yes. Now the error has been rectified. And again click on refresh. Click on now. First of all, we have to unload, right? So click on unload. Okay, I think this is not working. Okay, so first of all, we do the goods shipment. It's having started. Okay, if you click on goods shipped, the goods shipped option is completed. Okay, so now we have to do the put away activities. See, before going to the put away transaction, here you're having a header area and item area, header level and item level. If you go to the details of the header level, here you can see the document category of EWM is PDI and document type is INB. Okay, so how details are being fetched here. Also see that item level document types also. See here, item category is DLV, the item type is IDLV. How this data has been fetched from ERP to EWM, I will explain you now. Okay, so if you go to SPRO IMG, you execute SPRO and click on IMG implementation guide. Here you go to the path SCM EWM, standard warehouse management, goods ship process, and go to inbound delivery. Now first of all, we go to interfaces. Go to ERP integration. Okay. Map document types from ERP system to EWM. Execute this one. So what is the document type for ERP inbound delivery? EL. Okay, EL. I'll show you clearly. See here. I'm going to VL133M. To enter the ERP inbound delivery, the center. Okay. So if you go to the header level area, you can see the delivery type is EL. Okay. And the item type is ELN. Item category is ELN. Okay. So here, so in ERP, the delivery type is document type. So document type is EL. Okay. Item type is ELN. So whereas in EWM, you see here the document type is INB. So here the document type is INB and item type, map item type from ERP to EWM. Can come map item type from ERP to EWM. Execute this one. So here you can see. So here it is IDL. Here it is IDLV and DLV. Okay. Item type is IDLV. Okay. So here ELN is assigned to the INB and these are assigned to the ELN, INB and DLB. Here you can see. So here you can see document type of the ERP and item type of ERP. Item type of ERP is ELN and item type of EWM is IDLB. So these are mapped linked with each other. And coming to document type, so here you can see ELN is being mapped with document type INB. Okay. So when coming to goods shipment process, go to inbound delivery. Here also you can see here INB is being assigned to the PDI. INB is assigned to the document category PDI. So this is a document type and this is a document category PDI. Document type, document category, been linked with each other. Okay. And now come back. So click on execute define item types for inbound delivery process. And here you can see this entry IDLV is assigned to the PDI and DLV. Okay. item type is assigned with item category. Okay, so here item type, sent to the item category. What is the item type here? IDLV and DLV. IDLV. Okay. IDLV is assigned with the which one? DLV. It's assigned with DLV. And these both are assigned to document category PDI. These are assigned to the document category PDI. Okay, so this one. So these both are assigned to the document category PDA. And these are assigned with each other. Document category, document type, so assign INB. Okay. Here, so you can see the connections which is maintained. So here ELN is assigned, EL is assigned to INB. The EL has been assigned to the INB. EL is assigned to the EWM document type. Okay. So EL, let's see here. So I'm coming to item types. Sorry. So INB is assigned to the PDI. INB is assigned to the PDI. Okay, and coming to the item types. So IDLV assigned to the PDI and DLV. Okay, IDLV assigned to the DLV and it's assigned with PDI. So don't get confused. And coming to interfaces, I will show another connection also. See here. Here EL is assigned to the EL. Document type of ERP is assigned to the document type of EWM. Document type of ERP EL is assigned to the EWM document type INB. And coming to map item type from ERP to EWM. Here you can see. So these both are assigned to the IDLV. Okay. So ELN is assigned to the EL is assigned to the ELN, and these are assigned to the IDLV. So in this process, the inbound delivery gets distributed to the EWM level. Okay. So come back. So this is the basic information. Okay. Now let us do the put away process. So how to make a put away process? How to move this material from a GR staging area. Now we have done GRN, right? Goose assessment, right? So it is been the material has been moved to 9010. Now I have to move this material to the high racks. That means which is available for picking whenever sales has been created from this customer. Whenever we have to sell this material to customer, so we have to pick from this high rack. So this material should be moved from the from GR staging area to storage types AS10 or AS20. Okay. So let us go. So go to inbound delivery, click on follow on functions, click on warehouse task. So what is the warehouse task? So what is the warehouse task? What is the warehouse task? So the number of warehouse activities, whatever which we do, internal stock transfer, warehouse activity, warehouse task or warehouse activity. Activities like inbound delivery, transfer, outbound delivery, delivery is takeaway process, picking, that is stock removal. That is stock removal. Stock removal process and other activities like internal warehouse movements. It all comes under warehouse tasks. So what is warehouse order? Warehouse order. Grouping of or clubbing means clubbing, number of warehouse tasks, or warehouse tasks in one document. Called warehouse order. Okay, so you can see so when coming to warehouse order, let us consider this warehouse order. Here, go to Excel. So coming to the warehouse order, in this warehouse order, so in this warehouse order, a number of warehouse tasks will be created. Grouping of number of warehouse order. Simply I can say it's grouping, not clubbing, grouping. Grouping number of warehouse tasks in one document is called as warehouse order. So here, suppose I am getting multiple number of inbound deliveries. Okay, so in this inbound deliveries, all are being created into different warehouse tasks. Warehouse task 1, warehouse task 2, warehouse task 3, like that. So the number of warehouse tasks has been grouped into the one document is called warehouse order. Okay. And whereas warehouse task means, so what is a warehouse task? So what is a warehouse task? So activities like warehouse activities, whatever warehouse activities like inbound activity, outbound activity, put away, picking, stock removal process, internal activities. Okay, so this all comes under warehouse tasks. Okay, so what is a warehouse request? So warehouse request in SAP EWM is, here we are performing the warehouse activities such as receiving, picking, put away, stock transfer or goods issue. So it will act as a bridge between SAP ERP and S4HANA business documents. Okay, you can see here, ERP document will be created. Inbound delivery is created from ERP. It is distributed to the warehouse EWM, and warehouse task will be get created. Okay. So let us go to SAP, go to warehouse task. So okay, so here we can see the warehouse process type is 1010. Okay, so the warehouse process type is 1010. Use it to move. This is the warehouse process type, WPT. Okay, 1010. Here it is moving to the material from GR zone to from source bin, from GR zone to destination area. So what is the destination? So here we have to maintain the destination bin, right? So for example, I maintain as AS10. I want to move to this storage type, to the particular storage bin. Okay, so I mentioned here. Now click on create. And click on save it. Now click on create. So here the material is moving from 9010 GR staging area to high rack. See here. Here the material is moving from 9010 staging area to AS10. Okay, AS10. So in this case, we use the warehouse process type standard is 1010. Okay, now click on create and save it. So this is called as warehouse request, and warehouse order also is created. So go to warehouse task and confirm. So here you can see the individual data here. Here you can see the source bin is 9010 storage type, and storage bin is GR zone, and destination bin is the destination bin. You can see the storage type is AS10. Section indicator is C1. You can see it is moving to the storage bin AS10-01-01-01. You can see the GR date, activities put away, and procurement type is 1010. And activity area is AS10. So I will explain you what is the activity area in the next class. Okay. You can see the owner and party entitled to dispose. Okay, and inbound delivery document number. Okay, you can see all these details. You can see these are item details. You go to header details. So you can see warehouse order creation rule is defined. Okay. Now it is open. Still it is open. If you want to cancel means you can cancel it. So if you want to cancel this warehouse order, you can cancel it. If you want to confirm and save it, directly click on confirm and press save, or you can do individually. Click on confirm, click on save it. See, copy this bin. I'll copy this bin. So now click on save it. So let us see. Now warehouse order is confirmed. Warehouse order is also created. Warehouse order is also created. Now come back. Here you can see goods shipped. Put away is also completed. Okay. And warehouse activity is also completed. Now if you go to I want to see whether my material is going to one of the bin. Like let us consider this bin as AS1001-01. Okay. So whether it is moved to this storage bin or not. So in order to see that, go to the transaction /SEWM/monitor. Okay. So this is a super duper tool to track the reports. So here enter warehouse number, monitor is SAP, standard monitor, click on execute. So here go to the stock and bin. You go to the storage bin, double click on storage bin and enter the storage type AS10 and execute. See, here you can get the number of bins. So I want to see where is my stock, where is my stock, where I have received, which storage bin it is saved, I mean it is stored. Select all, click on physical stock. See here in the item, here you can see in this level you can see stored in storage bin AS10-01-01, access mouse, quantity is 5. Okay, it's unrestricted. Okay, so finally I have done my put away. Okay, so this is about today. Tomorrow I will come with a new topic. So hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click on like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos and share to your friends. Thank you very much. So have a nice day. Goodbye.